The Chinese character of delicious is composed of two other characters, fish and lamb. This simple soup recipe I'm about to share in the video perfectly demonstrates what being delicious means when seafood gets combined with lamb meat. Enough temptation to you? If so, stay through the video and try it. In a pot, bring about 2½ cups of water to a boil. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and scallion each. One teaspoon of chicken base to enhance the taste. 2 teaspoons of salt. About 15 paper-thin lamb leg slices. One tablespoon of fish sauce. Bring to a boil. Use a spoon to remove the foam on the surface. Simmer for about 1 minute. Add some dried seaweed. 1 tablespoon of dried tiny shrimps. About ½ cup of sliced Napa cabbage. Bring to another boil. Turn off the heat. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of white pepper. There you go. It's perfect for rice, steamed buns, or even bread. Thanks for staying through the video, and I hope you're motivated enough to try the recipe. Before jumping off, please click on the like button and leave a comment. If you're new, also remember to subscribe and check out the other exciting recipes in my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you around.